What's good, everybody? This is Noor Hussain Wasi from Learn to Link. So the agenda for today's video is that in this video we'll see what are joins in SQL, in which we will discuss the inner join, the left join and the right join. So there are several types of join, but in this part 1 we have discussed these. So let's get started. So here I'm on my Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So before moving any further, let me tell you that the joins in SQL are used to connect two or more than two tables with each other having a common set of values in each column. Let's see how it works. So for that, I need to type a query and fetch up my tables. Select all. My table name is employees and another name is from department. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see on my message window, I have got two tables. One is table this employee, which has employee ID, employee name, salary, department ID and manager ID, and the next table is the department, in which I have the department ID and the department name. Now, for suppose my supervisor comes in and asks me to fetch the name of the employees and the department where they work in. So we want to fetch the name of employee and the department they work in. So now I need to start typing my query. So I'll go step by step just to make it very simple for you guys, because normally it's a quite perception that joins in SQL are kind of a very difficult concept to understand, but if you just follow my video and do it step by step, it will be pretty easy for you people. So I am writing my query, select. Now what do I need? I need the name of the employee and the department they work in. Okay, so you can see that I have the name of the employee in my employee table. Okay, and the department name is in the departments table. So these are two tables. Now I need to join them. Now if you can watch it carefully, there is this one column that has the common values in between both of them, that is this department ID, in which D1 D2 is here, D1 D2 is here. So I'm pretty clear that these are the common values through which I will join my tables. So from employee, I'm giving it alias join inner join. Now I need to stop here for a moment. So if you can see that I have typed the query inner join. Okay, so the inner join or the join, it's the same thing. So let's see how the inner join works and how it joins two tables. So the inner join works in a way that it connects two tables who has the common set of column values in them. So I've written from employee. Now for suppose if I write just instead of this inner join, I just simply type join from employee, join department, giving it alias. Now what do I need to fetch? I need to fetch the employee name. So I'll type e dot employee name. Just remember this is a alias which I have given it here, comma d dot department name. Okay, so we are pretty done from here. Now what we need to do, that I have select the employee name from the employee table here and the department name from the department table here, from employee and joining it with the department. So now what is the hook or what is the join in between these two tables? So that will work as a on command. So this is basically the on command. You can say that this command is used to hook up two tables. So now I'm giving it a condition in which the two same values will stick with each other, and then we'll fetch up the values. Let's see. So we have these common columns that has department ID, in which there's D1, D2 is here, same set of values, and this D1, D2 same set of values. So I'm typing my query D dot department ID is equal to E dot department ID. Okay, so I'll execute it. So there you go. So you can see on my screen that it has fetched the employee name and department, which these two were previously in the separate tables. So the join state, so the inner join has worked in this way. But if you remember that there were 6 employees, but I'm getting just 4. So how it's working? Like, where the other rest of the 2 employees go? So now let's see what happened to them. So now here the part of an other join comes into play, and now we will see with an other join, that is the left join. So I show this table to my supervisor, and he says me that, look Noor, you have to fetch the complete name of the employees working in the department. Now to fetch up the complete name of the employees, I have to put my query, write my query first. Fetch all the employee and the department they work in. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll type this query again, but instead of this I'll added it and I'll say left join. I'll execute it. Okay, so you can say that previously we had 4 employees, and now we have got 2 more, which is the complete name of employees in my tables. So the left join has worked in a way that I'll comment it and I'll explain it to you guys. So left join has worked in a way, first it has run the inner join plus any other additional value left in the left table. So it has worked in a way that left join has first executed the inner join. First it has seen the common values, which were these one. Okay, and after that it has fetched all the additional values left in the left table. So the additional 2 values were Uzair and Salman, which were previously left before while executing this query. I'm executing it one more time. So now you can see I have 4 employees with this inner join, because inner join looks for the common set of values in a column. But this left join has worked in a way that it has first ran the inner join, and after running the inner join, like after seeking the common values in between 2 columns, it has looked for what is left in the left table, because it's a left join. So the left join works in this way. So now moving forward toward the next part of our today's agenda, that is the right join. I'll simply add this query and I'll execute the right join. Okay, so the right join is working in a manner that it is fetching the complete or the common details. Right join is right join, inner join, and any other additional value in the right table. So now the right join is working in the same manner as the left join was working on, but with the right value. So it works first as the inner join, like will work for fetch the common values plus any additional values that are left in the right table. So now it has fetched the complete department's name, but now on my employee name section you can see that these are the null values. So why these null values? Because my select clause has fetched the values from the right table, okay, which is not satisfying my join condition. So that's why it is returning the null values. And one more thing I would like to mention over here, it's not necessary that the name of the column should be the same one, but instead the values which are in the column should be the same. So that was for the part one for the joins or in SQL, and I'll be posting lately another video for the SQL joins, and we will cover more complex queries in that, and we'll see with even more examples. So if you have liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.